Hey guys, my name is Zach, and today we are opening up the lightning round. As you may know, I kind of messed up my recording, my microphone was off, and I opened up a couple of packs, but luckily guys, they weren't good packs, they were horrible packs, so you didn't really miss that much. But if you would like to, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and guys, I've got an Instagram now. It is called Zach150807, so please follow me there, it'd be much appreciated. But that's from me. Let's get into the video. So this is like kind of our first pack. To you it's our first pack, but yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. What the hell? You guys bring me luck or something. Jeez Louise. 87. Okay, we can't complain. Jeez. Yesterday I got a 96 Van Dyke. Oh my god, that's insane. We're going to open up the whole of this. Oh, come on. Okay. Okay. Come on, please. Give us some luck. Give us the luck we deserve. Oh, no. Golden. 90 Golden. Okay. 2 more. Oh, God. Can the last pack come in clutch? That's the question, guys. Can it come in clutch? Oh. Okay. 86. Last pack. Come in clutch, boys. No. 84. Take that. 3, 2, 1. Now we're moving on to the special packs. Okay, so hopefully you get good luck on here. They're a special plus pack, so they should be pretty good. Come on. Why? That should have been a walkout. What? That's only a flipping 75. Okay. Yes, walkout. Imagine if I was on Ronaldo. Yeah, Bruno. Okay, pretty good card. Last pack, guys. Oh. Okay, guaranteed 83. Oh, no walkout. Oh, no. Okay. Okay, moving on to these packs now. Come on. We need to get good packs, good cards. Okay. 82. Okay, walkout. Why did they do Messi and Ronaldo of these? Okay, loopers, 87. Sorry, I got a really dried up nose. Okay, 2 more of these packs. Oh god. Oh. Okay. Okay. Now we're moving on to all-star gold packs. Okay. Come on, we need something good. We better get good cards in here. Okay, come on. Come on. Oh. Come on, come on. Okay, we just got 82. Ooh. Come on, walk out. Yes, got to walk out. Ooh, yeah. It's a good card. Yes, I think that's a good card. Last pack. Oh. Okay, now on the toddy packs. Come on. Oof. Last time I got a toddy, I got like Van Dijk or Modric. I don't know. Come on. We never get good cards out of these, but might as well try. Because the chances of a toddy is really rare. I get toddies out of different packs than actually the toddy packs. Take on icon packs. Oh, we've got 88 Bell. 88 Bell. Walk out. Nope. Come on. No. Nothing good there. Come on. Come on. Oh. Come on. Come on, we got foot champs. Nah. You do the mustache. Come on. Oh. Oh, got foot champs. Last pack? No foot champs. But it's a pretty good card anyway. Right then. We only got the special pack. Oh no, special pack.